Testing, 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 testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we are live again. Okay, let's go. Okay, so same thing as always. I will scan through all the charts and then we shall see, what opportunity do we get today or this week. Market went up a lot though, but then there isn't much opportunity present as of this current moment. DAL, definitely not ready. Affirm. Upstart. Nothing here. Okay. Come on. What can we trade today? My god. Everything is like... Outwork, nope. Is there any good trades that we can take today? BOR, nope. IAG, nope. Morning, brother. You're early, my friend. MSTR, one moment, let me take a look at this. Nope, nothing here. Okay, WULF, okay. MSTR, I think it's pulling back though. I'm not too sure whether it's ready to go up. How come MSTR dropped so much? Well, MSTR dropped a lot, but then Bitcoin, yep, I will definitely wait for a little bit more. Bitcoin doesn't look like it's ready as of this current moment, so I would definitely need some sort of pullback in this area before I will look for buy. So same thing if, I see Bitcoin is ready, maybe we can take MSTR or even Coinbase. Yeah, Coins does looks like it's going to go down a little bit more. So possibly MSTR also going down. Then Circle, yep, also looks like it's going down. Okay, big. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you. Yes, the Europe top went well. Yes, correct. Very, very good. Yeah, but no matter how our market is still quite overbought, so we have to be a little bit more careful. I want to wait until market open, then I decide, whether I want to take off any of the trades or not. The first one that I want to take off is Nvidia. Definitely Nvidia. I don't remember we have Nvidia though. That's why I hold it all the way. Then after that, I haven't booked even a single cent of partial profit. Yeah. So when is our rate day? I think coming soon now, huh? So according to the market update video, I think likely August, September. Usually these 2 months are the worst performing months. I traded for so many years. Every single time is sometimes it's August, but September is usually the bad one. And these 2 months is going to be quite difficult to trade, so we need to be a little bit more careful. Zoom maybe something nice to short, huh? KDP. Nope. Yeah, but no matter how, we definitely needs a larger pullback. Without that pullback, difficult to buy position though. So even when right now I'm scanning, it's all like, what can I buy? Bro, what is Texas Instruments? Yes, UNH, nothing changed. I'm still not interested, and the earnings is coming already. I think over the weekend someone asked about UNH also. Yeah, so earnings is coming. Just be more careful on that part. Ayo, you see, the both of you shoot him until he gone now, brother. Thank you, thank you. I think I'm going to, fall sick soon. Oh, I tell you, today I had a bad day. Very, very, very bad day. I make 3 video. After finish already, right? Then when I want to edit the video a little bit, I notice all 3 video files corrupted. Oh, I was like, my God, waste my whole afternoon for nothing. Yes, GG, really GG. The first time it suddenly corrupted. I'm not too sure what happened. So each video is maybe about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Then after that, it only play until about the 5 to 8 minutes mark. Then suddenly the file just corrupted. Oh, I was like, okay, never mind, forget it, okay? Time's up already. I need to, go and do the market update video for all of you. Yes, GG, really. Okay, we stop at MS. Okay, we come back to it later. TXN. Oh, okay, guys, you all give me the ticker will be better, okay? Because if you give me the full name, I remember by the ticker, but I don't remember the full name of the company. Texas Instrument, something happened to it, is it? Oh, earnings. Earnings. After earnings, it dumps, wait for another week or 2 before you come back and revisit again. Yep, after earnings is not recovering, so it's not a very, very good sign. So just be careful on that part. Wait, I think wait for 1 week. 1 week, you will have a clearer idea whether it's going down or going up. MS. Okay, nothing here. This RTX, so super duper strong, Low. Nothing here. Guys, you're looking at anything or not? I scan through up and down, up and down. I don't seem to find any like super good setup aside for Zoom. Zoom looks like something that can short. Okay, how many more minutes? Okay, 7 more minutes before market open. Intel, I'm still waiting for the recovery though. I will go to Intel shortly. Let me scan through some of the instrument because today Monday must prepare for everything. Like nothing leh. CB also not doing well. Huh? Lousy CB. Wait. Okay lah, doesn't looks like it's done. Skip. My God, why? Oh, Nike is nice. Oh yo, gone now. What can we take today? No pullback, like everything got no pullback. Okay, we're going to scan those bottom ones. ARW doesn't look like it's ready. Huh, this open looks like a short setup. Not ready. This BGL looks like something for a very, very small trade. But this stock it looks dangerous though. HCTI nothing. CYBL also nothing. Tron nothing. Call with. Oh, dumb a lot. Okay, nothing here. BBAI also nothing. Wow, this garbage, I want to take off now. It's not moving though. So many days already. MVST, nothing. Okay, MVST, let me see. MVST. Okay, let me set an alarm for MVST. Maybe got some opportunity. Sales here still doing good. Okay, nothing. Hello, Braveheart. Nice to see you. Okay lah, I think more or less I scan finish. Like, what can I buy today? Okay lah, we go to Intel. Intel, I still think that I'm still waiting for the recovery. I want to see how it recovers first. Then after that, if this recovery is not showing, signs of strength, likely I would, because mine is a long-term investment in Intel, so likely I will just close off everything, and then I wait for it to drop possibly to about $14 around there, maybe about maybe $15 to $14. I will come back and take a look again. Okay. Braveheart CORZ. I think I want to get out already. It's not moving though. It's very, very, very slow. Like, I need it to fire off like really, really quickly, but then it's not showing that though. Yep, just be a little bit more careful if you are, in position. I'm also, I bought CORZ as a day trade, but then it is not moving. It's too slow already. Yeah, my style is like the moment I'm in, I expect it to start start moving within the next 1 to 2 days. If it doesn't move, I really want to get out now. Celsius also nonsense stock. Okay. But then it's not bad, right? One moment. CELH. Let me see. Nonsense stock. I'm not too sure what happens, but then at least this stock looks like not bad because since 2020 April, right, it has this huge big arm move though. But then this dump over here, this is the thing that I don't understand, you know? There must be some reason or something that caused this dump. Yeah, so I'm not, holding it for long term, just a swing trade. Then after, if we get some nice profit, we get out already. Okay, market open now. Hey, going to open now. 1 more minute. Yes, it's boring. Market went up too much. We don't have any pullback, so it will be a little bit difficult to trade for a while. Let's see. Amazon is still fine. How about Nvidia? I'm more concerned about Nvidia. I want to get out already. Nvidia. Yeah, I think I want to shift the stop loss for Nvidia. Let's shift to 173. Oh yes, I need to log in my account. So anything firing off or not? Nothing leh. Okay, we shift the stop loss for Nvidia first. 173. Okay, not bad, not bad. Strength starts to come in a little bit. Okay, AMD we are totally out, so nothing to worry for that part. SPY coming down quite aggressively, QQQ as well. Yeah, maybe filling the gap over there, and then after that, in the next 10 to 15 minutes, we shall know what happens to the market. Okay, I like Meta, but then Meta got earnings though. Meta earnings is this Wednesday after market close. My god, nice setup, but then got earnings, what to do? Netflix still around the same area. Qcom, nothing. Oh, Palantir are finally retracing. Why suddenly like so volatile? Let's see here. Trump saying a lot of things. Something about Trump on Russia. I'm going to make a new deadline for about 10 or 12 days from today. Don't know what is that about, but we need to wait. We definitely need to wait a little, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can see what the market does. Oh, Nvidia not bad, huh? Okay, Okay, wait ah. Oh, NVIDIA went up so much already. Okay. AMD. How about AMD? AMD is still really, really strong. Because I'm thinking whether I want to close more positions for my long-term investment or not. Okay, I think still got some time. Okay, I think for NVIDIA, right, we just book some partial profits lah. We can book right now. So far, we haven't booked any though. Let's book 50% of it. Okay, done. Okay, CVNA triggered. What happened? Still doesn't look ready. Meta also triggered. Yeah, that's the thing about Meta. We got earnings coming this Wednesday after market close. So can be quite a risky trade though. Okay, QQQ got strength coming in a little as of right now. Looks like there are some signs of rejection. VIX okay, we need to be extremely careful already. Tesla is fine. Oh, Intel, not bad. Looks like it's going to recover possibly in these few days. TSM still looks like quite strong. How about Palantir? Palantir, the standard move spike down and then starts to go again. RBLX. No confirmation for a shot. Wait, there's one, right? Zoom. Can we shot or not? Hello, I love Cherry. Happy Monday. EL, nothing. What can we trade today, guys? So far, SPY looks like it looks like it's holding at this area. Fill the gap. Then right now it looks like possibly, holding it. Oh, MU can. Yeah, not ready. I don't think it's ready. I think more downside to come. Really, not ready. I love Cherry. Yeah, because you haven't joined inside the group, huh? Today I make a new video. It will be good, okay? You go to my TikTok profile, go and look at the market update video. Because usually, for August and September, these 2 months are quite dangerous. Usually throughout the entire year, these 2 months, right, they are quite negative. Quite difficult to trade, especially September. But August is like 70-30 thing. 70% of the time I do feel that August it can be a negative month, especially right now. SPY went up for about 3 whole months without any big pullback already. So since the 7 April low all the way until here, it moves up like that. Uh, for me, I do feel that the market is quite overheated, so I would definitely need a larger pullback. So possibly, right, we'll see that in August and September. Then after that, maybe until October, the market will be fine again. Hopefully, this year we have Christmas rally, huh? Last year we didn't have a Christmas rally. So these 2 months, the next 2 months needs to be extra careful. Oh, this AMD, really, superpower. Okay. The last time I booked my profit around 157. 157 is here though. Yeah, maybe I will wait until 180. Maybe I will try to book some partial profit. Let me set the alarm for AMD about 175. Okay, CRM coming down a little bit. Okay, tomorrow we also have tomorrow. Let's see. Wait, what did I press? This week. Yeah, tomorrow we have ADP, we have GDP. This week are super eventful. ADP, GDP. No. It's not tomorrow, it's Wednesday. Wednesday onwards is crazy. Then after that, we got FOMC on Wednesday. So our time, Singapore time, Wednesday. Then, this week I also don't know how to trade. Too much event already. Guys, I think that. Okay, how many minutes already? About 12 minutes. SPY is coming down, but QQQ holding up quite well. What is dropping today? The consumer defensive, healthcare are dropping today. Yep, the small and mid cap stocks, they are all dropping as well, I think. Yes, all the small and mid cap stocks, they are dropping a lot. Everything is negative. Come on, hold this area. Continue to go up. I'm actually waiting for meta. Meta, I'm thinking, we. But this trade is going to be risky, really, really risky, because you only have roughly about 2 days for it to play out, and then it needs to fire off quite fast. If it doesn't, Wednesday after market close is earnings. If not, you have to, book off all your profits already by then. Anyone up for, speculation? These are all speculative trades. They are very, very, very high risk. Oh, I got new alarm triggered. Let's see. What is this? Oh, okay. I'm looking for buy. I think Hazel should go and buy something. Hello, this one you don't need to tell her. Meta leh. She look at the chart, maybe she understand. She's like, wow. I want to, make a lot of money from the earnings. I will buy. But it is very, very high risk. Hazel, Meta earnings coming leh. Will you speculate or not? Oi, gone liao. But, if it's too far gone, then I let it be lah. No choice. Then looks like, the earnings can feel. But if Meta move a lot before earnings, right? Try to book off everything. Yeah, too late. Okay, we need to maybe just give you a skip. This week might be a very, very boring week. Too much events already. How about Baba? Baba not moving. PDD. Futu looks like it's pulling back. JD, don't know what is it doing. 0.5. Rick cannot get over that. Okay, you need to find one trade. I give you 1:10. Then after that, you're that 0.5, you won't think about it anymore. You tell me, Johnson, when is the next China stock going to fire off? Hello, Raymond. But so far, SPY looks like it's not bad. It's really not bad. We are about 15 minutes in already, but then, the market didn't dump. Possible, also a slow start, but then we don't know. Yeah, today is definitely not the mega techs that are weak. It's all the small and mid cap stocks, including consumer defensive and healthcare. We can use this right now. More than 50 minutes already. Yes, more than 50 minutes. We can use this to check. Yeah, we can see right. The mega techs, they are all okay. It's the rest of the sectors they are not performing well, especially healthcare. Healthcare got super red ones. Consumer defensive okay. Just be careful, guys. Celsius. Yeah, Celsius should be, consider small. Yeah, should be a small cap stock. Yeah, just let it be. I'm still in those Celsius. Just let it be, and then after that we see how it goes. How's the CCI doing? CCI. Wow, we book our profit right at the top. Nice. Very, very, very nice. Job back can buy more. You sure not, Hazel? Just now I remember you say something like, you said, what you say? Let me scroll back and see. Oh my god, where is it? Yeah lah, Hazel, you just said Celsius also nonsense stock. Job back can buy more, you sure not? Okay, Disney looks like a slow drop. But we have to wait lah. Tesla restore its former glory. Let's go. Well, I want to warm it blood like that. CORZ. Not moving. It's really not moving. This is okay. Possible, a running or expanding flat. How many days here? Oh, 4 days already. 4 days and it's not moving. Oh, yes. We go back. IONQ. Looks like a good shot, huh? Earnings also coming, is it? 6 August. Next Wednesday. Okay, we wait for a little bit. If we do get a confirmation, maybe we can try to short. MVST. NVST. NVST. Yeah, no confirmation for me as well. So NVST, I think I have to skip already. Okay, I'll set one more alarm. Oh, safety hotline. Thanks for liking the live stream. Thank you, my friend. Pinterest got triggered. Pinterest. Meta. How about Amazon? Also not moving anywhere. Today the market is the market is not going anywhere, but then AMD is strong. We booked our profit a little bit too early. When did we book it? Last Friday, is it? I think last Friday. My God, it went up $10 more. Fuyo. Hey, same safety hotline. Same, brother. I'm also looking to exit Nvidia when it hits roughly about 180. Yeah, I will exit some partial position. Then I'll see what he does next. Yes, Rick. Yes, AMD move up. Over the weekend, it moves up $10. Really? Serious? Really? Over the weekend, it moves up $10, including today. Because you see, market closed around 4 a.m. So it's here. Is like 162. Right now, 173. Really? My God. One of my favorite stock, AMD. Fantastic, man. Safety hotline cannot increase, but demand is there. Okay. Can I have a very good long-term investment in Nvidia. I'm still holding about 70% of the position. So 180, I might decide to book some partial profit. Not bad. Celsius going up again. CRM also going up. Netflix. Netflix finally starts to move. Nice. Hazel, you still in AMD? Why you laugh until like that? Hey, Ring, you cannot buy me? You can, what? I think your account size is okay. Okay. No worries. Okay, we just wait for the larger pullback. Without that pullback, I don't think, I don't think AMD can continue to go up like that. Kawasaki, yo, bro. Kawasaki die-cast collection. That must be a biker. Okay lah, Rick, at least buy a few, it's okay. It's really okay. I also don't buy a lot. This new account can only buy 25 shares of Netflix. My trade, hope you heng. Yes, thank you, Kawasaki. This month is fantastic already. It has been good for many months now. I think about 3-4 months since April. Is super duper good. Yes, Kawasaki, I also hope, you make a lot of money from the market. No, 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 no. I got that new account. Okay, that new account, almost same liao. I think I want to start making some video. The new account is same liao. Okay, I want to make some videos. Showing how I grow that account. But not bad. I was quite shocked though. Was quite shocked. Really, really quite shocked because normally I don't go and look at my P&L. Then the day before I posted, I was quite shocked. Year to date, about 70%. Like, I was like, wow, not bad. Averagely every month about 10%. Okay, Kawasaki, I have a stock trading course. If you're interested, come and join me, okay? Drop me a DM. Then after that, I send you the details. Then after, if you join, I will put your name under, one of the students so they can, hit their referral program faster. Then you also get additional 6 months access to Discord. So a total of roughly about 2 years. Crowd. Crowd got earnings or not? Okay, Crowd got no earnings. When is the next earnings? Oh, the next one is far away. Okay, Crowd. If we get some pullback, possibly we can try to buy Crowd. We just need some pullback. You're looking at any instruments or not today? Or you're just like me, sitting out, don't know what to do? Yeah, I think just now someone asked about UNH. UNH, I still think that possibly one move down and then it will still go up to this 0.382 area, which is $385. I chilling. Okay. Seems like I'm also chilling. I don't seem to find any trade, okay, guys? uh, just now we wanted to short something, right? I remember we wanted to short something. Is it this stock? Okay. Okay, guys, we do a small size. Okay, a very, very small size trade for this. Don't be too aggressive, okay? When we do as a day trade, we'll do. Okay, I will send inside the group. Hey, I cannot take this trade. What the hell? Okay, wait. I need to inform everyone. This trade cannot be taken. What the hell? This stock cannot be, cannot short. Hey, what did I press? Huh? I typed wrong again, meh? What I type? I typed wrong ah. IONQ ah. Where got? Oh, long huh? Okay. So abort. I delete away. Okay. I delete away. Mission abort. Let's short AMD. Okay. We look at SPY first. You see, SPY going up, leh. It's going up, my friend. Get feel and starts to, gain some strength already. Oh, so many stock can short. You want to short AMD? Really? Yes, Tan, correct. I also think so. Bobby. Yes, Bobby, I'm selling my own trading course. So if you join this course, you will learn 3 different strategy. Okay, if you want to know more, drop me a WhatsApp text. WhatsApp text better so I can send you the whole file. Then you can go and read through first and see whether you want to join or not. BTH and BTC. Yes, I like it. Okay, Tan, I like it. Bitcoin and ETH. Yes, I like both of it. Just waiting for that consolidation. A little bit of consolidation. Maybe can start to buy already. You're scared away my marketing director, Now my marketing director never come now. Where is my marketing director? If trading is so easy, no additional income, bro, you can go to my Instagram and see my performance. Because for TikTok, I don't have the thing for me to add into like story highlights. That's why, I'm still waiting until I hit 1,000 followers. Then after they will open it up for me. Currently, I can only post, then after that, it will just be gone already. But Instagram is okay. Instagram, I have that highlights portion. You can go and see. Nope, no full-time job, Bobby. I run my own business also. How? I love cherry. What do you mean by how? ETH, you need to wait for a little bit, okay? You will just wait for a little bit more. I think give it a day or two. Possible, I think that you will start to see some consolidation here. Then after that, you can definitely, start to buy into it. But then if you ask me, I think Bitcoin looks nicer though. Buy high, sell higher lor. Yes, it's also possible. Standard. Okay, SPY got strength coming in now, So our position should be doing really, really well, right? Let's see. Okay, not bad. The IONQ cannot short. What the fuck? Waste my time. Monitor for nothing. Short AMD cannot have. Hazel, not today, not today, okay? There will be sign that we can start to short AMD, but then not now lah, huh? Hazel, you short already, AMD. I think you short already lah, but I see your comment. Yes, Bobby, if you want to, go ahead. Okay, short Tesla also. Oh my god. Now this live stream cannot believe anyone. Okay, can short DBS Bank. Okay, we are going to go into another financial crisis. Then after all the bank stock will drop like crazy. Oh, Berkshire starts to move already. Nice. Can Bobby, I wait for you, okay? You shot already, let me know. But RBLX looks like a good one. Maybe this one can short. But no volume. Okay, we wait a little bit. Actually, I don't trade Singapore stocks though. Can you short GIC or you can't? Because I think Singapore stocks, there are a lot of them, you cannot do short selling. Yeah, I totally, throughout my entire trading career, I have not traded the Singapore stock even once. Not even once. Keppel What's the ticker for Keppel? Singapore stocks when you use TradingView, it's so difficult to find. Yeah, Singapore, I think unless you are ultra rich, you got 5 million, 10 millions. Singapore stocks, some of them, they give out very, very high dividends. BN4. BN4. Okay, thank you for that ticker. Not bad. Not bad. This one seems like somehow is following STI. Not bad. Or if you bought at $6 around June period, it's not bad. About 35% already. CDL. Yeah, bro, you have to give me the ticker though, because I always have a hard time trying to find all these stock. Yeah, because I really totally don't trade at all. Hey, I don't think it's this. Wrong. C09. Wow, why is Singapore the ticker is so difficult? Okay, nice. Yeah, I think, is it this few stock that, pushes STI to all new time high? Yeah, is it Singapore stocks, you see consolidation like that for a very, very long time. That's the issue. Oh, they got Saga. Okay. Yeah, I totally have no idea about Singapore stocks. Like really zero. Okay, enough about, Son don't like father. Is it the son is an insurance agent or something? Is it that news? Yes, yes, he's CEO, but then he's also insurance agent, right? Is it that news? Maybe y'all can go and do a research. Go and do some search on that. They are real estate developers. Okay, okay. Maybe I got the wrong one. Lah. Yeah, I recently I also saw another news, something related to that. You know, father don't like son, son don't like father. I think it's also a insurance agent, if I'm not wrong. Or I remember wrongly, it's a real estate agent. Yeah, I don't follow all those Singapore news. You see, I follow the US one more. Yeah, but Singapore news, interesting, man. You know, Singapore always likes to make good friends with all the neighboring countries, make friends with US. You know, US impose tariff on Singapore. Singapore say, okay, we take it like a champ. We don't retaliate. Okay, bro, I already in Tesla already. I caught right at the bottom. Okay, I buy right over here. I think 302. My entry is 302, so right over here. I'm in already. Okay. Yeah, if you want to see how I buy Tesla, go to my Instagram. My Instagram, I have the part I can, save it as highlights. But then TikTok, because I don't have 1,000 followers, so the save as highlights function is not open up for me. So I need to hit my first 1,000 followers first. And then if you want to see my results, all that is all on Instagram. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, but then you follow the correct account or not? my my Instagram is, let me see, because that time I accidentally, I think, created another new account. It's Johnson Pang. Okay, don't follow the one with Mr. Johnson Pang. Mr. Johnson Pang is for TikTok. For Instagram is just Johnson Pang. Okay, okay. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, thank you. Wasted, wasted. Just now that stock we were looking at cannot short. Why? Wasted, wasted, wasted. Good setup, but cannot short. Let's see VNA. No volume as well, so maybe CVNA needs to skip. You're gonna exit at 330. I'm going to exit at about 400 for Tesla. My target for Tesla is 400. But along the way, of course, I will take some partial profits and then I will trail my stop loss and see whether it can hit 400 or not. Hey Hazel, you shot AMD already? Why you don't want to go short? Hazel, I'm waiting for the green light, then maybe I'll decide to join you. Now this live stream, I cannot trust anyone. And some come here say short GIC, short Temasek, and another one short AMD, short Nvidia. My God. Uh, okay lah, we don't do anything. Uh, we don't rush anything. We just wait. Okay, wait for a little bit, guys. Come on, this month, let me make how many more days to go? One, two, three, four more days. Come on, let me make 18%. 18%. 18% we 棒刚 liao, okay? Next month we go holiday. We go and shot something, then after we go holiday. Come back 1 month later. ARW, nothing. Hive, nothing. APLD. Open can shot or not? Open. Open looks like a good shot. APLD. Oh, this one, bro. This one 100% is a shot. Okay, just be careful, huh? Be careful, my friend. Possibly can come to about 990 around there. Comes to 990, then you see any signs of rejection before you buy. For the $400 by Q3, I'm not too sure, how long it will take to go there. But I just set a ridiculous target there. I also don't know what will happen. I shall see, what it does. Possible, maybe take around the same length as this. So this one took how long? One took about 52 days. Then possible, about 2 months for it to hit about 400. Okay. Google looks like a good shot also. Spy. That's the thing. Spy, no signs of weakness though. Q. My God. Okay, we take a look at this again. Wait, Finviz got new things. Now they say introducing Finviz crypto map. New. It's a new one. Crypto map. We say Finviz got new crypto map. Not bad. Okay, we do one more refresh and see. Okay, utilities is bad today. Basic material also quite bad. The rest is fine. Yes, same. He's a same thing. I also don't see energy stock at all. I think it's too slow for me. I like something fast. Must have, must be volatile. You're not damn boring though. You want to short AMD? Let me see. How come this? You think can? Oh, Hazel, you really like to play with fire. You next level, really. It's actually okay though, really. I also think so. But it's like why you want to place your stop loss? Here? This one will be a bit tight though. It's really okay. Yeah, what you say is quite true, Maybe you can do a very, very small size, then we just put slightly a little bit higher. Or you place even tighter, Where you put your stop loss? Sometimes we can wait for 1 minute though. 1 minute, sometimes this area got very nice flat structure. We can you want it to go back first. Okay. Meaning to say pull back lah, Pull back this area. Then after you try to short. Yeah, we can try using VWeb as well. Yeah, VWeb right now is at support already. Okay, we wait for a little bit and see. Okay, Hazel. Let me know later on. I will use the washroom. Okay, I come back shortly, guys. Okay, I'm back. I'm not focusing today. Reading manga. Okay lah. No choice, yo. Then, I have to work hard. uh, okay, let's see, 3 minutes. 1 minute. It's going to be a small one, if you want to short. You need to place a super duper small stop loss. Okay, it hit our target already. You think we'll go back, You go back to the trend line area, is it? It's actually not bad, really not bad. Okay, nice, Hazel. I will definitely, if it goes until there, I will start to buy more long-term investment into AMD and NVIDIA, 100% for sure. Because I exit some already, I need to top up. Okay, we'll all buy at very, very good price. Wait for me, okay? AMD, I just love it. AMD give me a lot of profit, really a lot of profit. It's one of my best trade already. I remember this area, it gives me very, very good profit. Hey, why so laggy? What happened? Why suddenly so laggy? Come on, don't lag. Okay, time to refresh. Why so super laggy? Okay, how about SPY? We look at SPY first. SPY like quite neutral though. How about VIX? VIX is still around that same level. AMD. Amazon still going up. Oh, SMCI very strong, Zhixiang. Recently, super duper strong. Very, very nice. Yeah, bro, if you trade SMCI, try to be careful when you reach around 70 $78 around there. Try to be a little bit more careful. Yeah, but it's, super strong right now. If you're in the trade, congratulations, my friend. No worries. Wait, our Netflix not performing. My god. Okay, set alarm. Time to set alarm for Netflix. If it's not performing, I want to cut liao. Okay, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. Okay, help me to hit 1,000 faster. Even though I don't have the highlights, I cannot save my stories as highlights. Tesla, fantastic, Really, really fantastic. Nice, man. Really nice. Yeah, just trust the process, okay? So the next thing that we need to watch out is actually this trend line. This trend line, when you reach here, we see what happens to Tesla. You got a lot of margin. I don't have a lot of margin. I'm still in quite a lot of trade though. Oh, you exit a lot of nonsense. Okay, okay. Yes, Rick. Normally sometimes, when I'm very confident in the trade like Tesla, I open up a larger position size. You can risk 2%, shouldn't be much of an issue. That's why you guys, go and find all those alert wave triangles, okay? Not your anyhow triangles, those alert wave triangles. If you can find those, trust me guys, every single time we take the trade, normally, right, your RR, I can tell you, is damn super high. Go and test all those triangles. So far, I think the minimum is at least about 1:5, 1:6, around there. Remember CCI also not bad. Now another Tesla. So you all will start to see more and more, huh? But very good job, huh? I think Hazel gave me the CCI trade. It was amazing. Yeah, although we spotted that triangle a little bit late, but then we still managed to catch it. Yes, need to do a lot of homework every day. Every weekend, I actually don't need every day. One weekend, you spend like 1 hour, 2 hours, should be more than enough. Just scan through the charts, especially Hazel. Hazel got a lot of stock. She has the most stock, but then she just lazy. The next one, the next good one is actually Amazon. But as long as Amazon doesn't fire off too much, possibly we are in the ending diagonal. Then we need one pullback. After one pullback, but then this one is going to take a while. I think minimally, yeah, about maybe 25 days, 30 days before this ending diagonal is fulfilled. Yeah, about I think 25 days. So Amazon, we can watch for a while. And especially next month, if next month is not a good month, the very first one that I want to short is definitely Amazon already. But the structure is way too big, really way too big. So that's why we need to wait for quite a long time. Huntsman. Okay, bro, you have the ticker now. Is it US stocks or what? Huntsman. Oh yes, it's a US stock. Okay. Bro, this one I think likely downtrend. Yes. Be careful, bro. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just be extremely careful, brother. This stock is... I'm not too sure, but then possibly around $7 is your next support. Possible $7 is your next support. And then I don't know whether from here it will, come down to here, whether it will start to fire off or not. This one is way too far already, but at least for now, it looks like it's going down. Definitely going down. Even the 4 hours, 4 hours, one look 100% downside. Then 1 hour, same thing, no difference. Okay. Then the other one is WERIDE. Okay. Oh, this stock just IPO not long ago. IPO last year, October. Okay, for this, we write. Okay, we write. Yeah, bro, my advice is also be a little bit more careful on this part. So if 4 hours you see some consolidation, maybe you can buy. But if you don't see that, right, Normally this type of stock, what you will see is that it will start to crawl down like that. After that, maybe it crawls down like that for about 6 months or something, sometimes 1 year, then you get a huge spike, and then the pattern keep repeating itself. Then after that, crawl down again, you get a huge spike, and then it starts to crawl down again. So you will see this quite often, especially like, let me show you one. A little bit similar to this stock, I guess. But this stock doesn't has a lot of like huge spike, but in between, right, you can see the very, very same pattern. A little bit like that, you will start to crawl down, then spike, then suddenly crawl down, then spike, then crawl down, then suddenly spike again, then crawl down again. So be careful on that part, okay? Okay, no worries. Okay, LNMD is doing a very huge structure now. Let me set an alarm for LMMD. Okay, thanks for the follow. Thank you. How many followers do I need? I need 1,000. 1,000. Yeah, still far. I need 100. Oh, Disney starts to dump now. Hey, don't make bot don't make bot Organically, give my followers is the best now. You use bot unless you just tell me straight away you don't want me to live stream, okay? You use one bot I think there's a very, very high chance you will definitely get banned. Long time ago when I was still very, very young, I do drop shipping and then I go and buy those bots. Oh, I tell you, after I buy it one time, you can gain a few hundred followers, but then that account just doesn't show to anyone anymore. It's like a dead account already. Then whenever you create a new account, somehow they can track your IP, I guess. Then you'll get banned really, really fast. Okay? Don't get me into trouble, guys. Okay, seems like AMD shot need to abort their mission abort. This one looks like more upside. Hey, yeah, I forget to read the live stream chat, my god. Hey, hello, my friend. Hey, no problem. It's okay lah. Sometimes, you will see people like that. It's normal, okay? Okay, see meta. Okay, potato meta, it looks like a good buy, but then that's the issue, man. Sorry, I answer you so late. Did I answer you very late? No, it's just only, okay, it's a good buy. But then because Wednesday we got earnings. Unless you're up for speculation risk, then can use an option, buy a call option or something. Oh, WIX. Okay, WIX. Can short. WIX. Yep, that looks like a good shot. But then this structure is a little bit unclear though. You need to wait for a little bit more. Oracle can. Oracle, no, 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 brother. Don't short, huh? Don't short, huh? You short this one, you will die very badly. Don't short this one. My trend line is not correct. So it is something like that. You know, don't short this, huh, guys? Relax, relax, okay? You want to short this, wait for a little bit more. I don't think it's ready to short as of right now. Wait for, a small pullback or something, then you can start to short. Potato, what do you send? Oracle. Yes, yes. Yes, what you draw over there is possible. So wait for a little bit more. Because Oracle, it follows S&P quite closely. So if S&P is not dropping, we try to short might be a little bit more dangerous. Although I also feel that SPY is, the overall market is really, really overbought, but we don't know when it will start to correct. Okay, you just need to go back to here. Let's go back to this period. If you look at this period, you can see it. There's not much of a pullback though. All the pullbacks are very, very small, including this. This is like, how much? How many percent? This is like, it pulls back 5%. And then here, this is like how much? About 6%. I'm waiting for this type of pullback, but we just haven't get it yet. I think it's soon. Maybe by end of this month, the market will start to pull back. Yes, what Hazel put over there is also possible. It's also possible for more upside. As long as the overall market is not pulling back, Hazel, what you draw over there is really, really possible. Yeah, so when you short, you are betting that the overall market starts to pull back together. So maybe SPY pull back like, 5% or something. Then that's when you short, you will make a lot of money. It will become a very, very good trade. So Potato, what you send over there, if you try to short, right, the moment it move, let's say we go back to Oracle, let me show you. Normally, this is what I do when I don't see the market pulling back, right? If you were to try to short, the moment it breaks this low, just move to break even. Or even before coming to break this low, somewhere maybe here you can move to break even already. Then you see whether the overall market really tank or not. Hello, bro. I'm good. How are you? Oh, not bad, Hazel. You see something like a descending triangle. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Possible for a short. Possible. Yeah, why I'm not confident is because of this area. This area, I'm not so sure, what is it doing though? I really can't tell. Because I don't know whether this is the impulse, this is the correction, and then we get one more impulse, or we have already done our correction, then this is the impulse, this is the correction, and then we start to dump. I'm not too sure which one is which. That's why, I'm still not interested in this stock as of right now. But Hazel, what you see over there is not bad though, not bad. Come on, more likes. Thank you, brother. Thanks for liking my live stream. Thank you so much. Yeah, try to find, running triangle, contracting triangle, expanding triangles, all that will be the best really. Ascending and descending, a little bit difficult to trade, a little bit. Because actually in Elliott wave theory, right, there's no ascending and descending triangle. It's just that, it's quite a well-known pattern that's being used in technical analysis. So I talk about it a little bit, but then just remember, ascending and descending triangles are not part of Elliott wave. That's why, right, we cannot use MACD for confirmation. I tested a lot of them, it just doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. If you want to look for a shot, I think the next one, maybe it's Palantir though. If Palantir give us a very, very nice pullback, possible we can try to short. See, Amazon still strong though. Apple also not too bad for today. AMD make new high already, is it? Did it make new high? Yes, it make new high. Wow, scary lah, this AMD. Over 1 weekend move about almost $12. Ah, yes, potato. This one looks good. This one looks good. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good job, guys. You all should find all this. Go send inside the group chat. We'll be rich, guys. If I see some, I will also send in. Fantastic, brother. Really fantastic. Wow, potato, you're getting better, huh? Amazing, amazing. Potato, your name is pronounced as Sen, is it? Or did I pronounce wrongly? Don't call my name. Why cannot call your name, huh? He doesn't want anyone to know him. This guy low profile. He's a ninja. No lah, this one not gambling lah, my friend. Gambling is not like that. Gambling is like Hazel, you know? She tried to pick the top to short AMD. Our queen of gambler. Oh, lucky. I'm patient, okay? Lucky, I'm patient. Okay, right now, another good chance for you to short. AMD make new high already. Don't use me as a good example of a bad example. Okay? Spoken like a wise woman. Yeah, we can go short, but then that's the issue, guys. Really, that's the issue. Hey, SPY looks like losing momentum, huh? What stock is this? Possible, Hazel, possible, but you need one more wave down. That's the thing. It looks like don't have much room for one more wave down though. But sometimes if you monitor a little bit, you can see a very, very tiny, uh, wave E. Sometimes you do see that. EL can. EL. EL is still going up. It's still going up. But then I don't see the very nice consolidation in this area. Why short EL? I don't understand it. Hazel must be looking at some SMA. Is it? No, like all the SMA okay leh? What are you looking at? Even 300 is also okay. 50 also okay. 20, 100% okay. Why you want to short EL? Yeah, I just don't see that nice structure, so that's why I didn't take any trades over here. No, Hazel got her own reasons one. Sometimes what's the highlight things that those boxes that you highlight? She must be looking at something. Daily. Let me see daily. I don't see any resistance also, but I don't understand. Yeah, where did Adrian go? Adrian MIA. I got a feeling there must be, I think there must be some personal issue with Adrian. No, not personal issue. I mean his life, okay? Maybe I think he met into some issue. Normally that guy is super on. Okay, SOUN. Brother, I still think going down though. I really think possible going down. Yeah, it's quite possible. Just be careful for this. Let me do a check one moment. Okay, bro, this stock possible as a running triangle though. Yeah, but I think this I will wait for a little bit more confirmation. Wait. Let me double confirm. No. Fail. I see wrongly. Sorry, my bad, my friend. Yep, this trade likely I think more downside. Sorry, my bad. I see wrongly. Okay, let me take a look at the daily chart first. Okay, bro, I would advise you to be a little bit more careful because No, if this stock doesn't perform, it can drop quite far though. It's really quite far. Even on 4 hours, I do think that possibly, right, if this stock really doesn't perform, easily I think it can come to about $2.60 around here. So just be careful on this. Adrian go holiday, meh? I think he might be busy with work or his own personal issue lah. You know, something like maybe family problem or what. You're really what is this? Okay, let me see. Wow, what ticker is this though? Church. Okay, this stock CHD. Okay. Oh, Affirm. Give me a moment, huh? One moment. Let me take a look at this. Okay, you are looking at the daily chart. Okay, I see what you are looking at. Okay, this one, right, there's one issue, If you take a look, this one is a bit higher. So if this is higher, right, we need to wait for a little bit because we only have like maybe 2 waves. Yeah, so Hazel, this one needs to wait a little bit. Hey, Hazel. You just blindly fighting. Okay. Cannot trust you anymore. Yeah, I'm joking, huh? Okay, hey, Step Bro, nice to see you again. How are you, my friend? Okay. Hey, I think I typed wrongly. Okay, I typed wrongly. AFRM. Firm, I do think that there's more upside, okay? But then right now, I can't give you any confirmation. Let me see this part. Maybe one more week, this might turn out to be a really, really good trade. Maybe by end of this week, the picture will become clearer. Once it becomes clearer, possible this can be a very, very good trade. Okay, to the upside. Yeah, I think likely end of this week. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Okay, no risk, bro. Oh, Hazel really spam. Actually, I also sometimes lazy to find, you know. I can find if I want to, but I'm so lazy to sit here, you know, like 1 hour, 2 hours to scan through everything. Yeah, normally I take those that I understand. so I can scan through really, really fast. Smart, very smart, Rick. It's the power of the community. Really, really, it's really the power of the community. Like, you just imagine if everyone, can do their own part and then send all these super good traits into the group. I can tell you, my friends, we are going to be rich. Really, you just take diagonals and triangles. You're going to be so super rich already. So far the triangles until now we still haven't have a failed triangle. They're all doing really, really well. I need everyone who understands how I trade, then we can find setups together. Hey, but Potato, good job for noticing a firm. I didn't actually look at that just now. Maybe I scanned through too fast already. What? What chat channel? Oh, okay. Brandon, I have my own trading course. So I'm actually answering all the students inside the course. Yeah, so why am I like talking alone and where you don't see any chats on TikTok, right? It's because here, my friends. Okay? So these are all the chats. And so they are all, talking inside here. So if you want to learn how I trade, come and join us, my friend. It's going to be awesome. The people inside, they are great. And they are getting a lot better already. So much better that, I make use of them to help me find trades. And not bad, they are really hunting for trades, then after they ask me to verify for them. If we see a nice one, we can definitely take. CCI was a very nice trade and then was given by Hazel. Tesla is a very nice trade, I think given by Potato. And then the next one, Affirm. How much for how long? Okay, bro, if you're interested, you drop me a WhatsApp text, Ken. So you will be inside my group minimally for 2 years. The course itself, right, it gives you 1.5 years access to my Discord. And then because I also want to help my students, all that, trying to clock their referral program. So I will clock you under one of their names. And then you will get additional 6 more months, whereas the students also get another 6 more months. So total you have 2 years, they also have 2 years. CORZ. Yeah, CORZ. Ayo. Damn, let me see. Okay, still okay. Not too bad, It's really not too bad. Possibly, right, we have an expanding flat here. Really an expanding flat. And possible from here, you can just fire off, right? Oh, Tesla 328 power of triangle, huh? Good, right? So guys, you see, not I'm making use of you, okay? I'm giving you such a good skill that you don't even need to, go and read whether this one triangle or not triangle. Is this a valid triangle or not? Or this one break? Because a lot of times, right, triangle, I believe you all see online, they always says that triangle can break out both either direction, okay? But then over here, right, we don't have such thing as either direction because you use MACD for the confirmation. So once MACD give you that confirmation, you already know more or less where, wave E will end, and then you just take the trade. Yes, Raymond, I think likely 410 shouldn't be much of an issue for Tesla. But of course, it's quite a long distance to there. In between, right, you definitely need to take some partial profit, unless this Tesla suddenly go crazy, got new government funding or what. I'm also not too sure. Suddenly just, then okay lah, congratulations to all of us. Something like here, after earnings, it gap up, then consolidate a bit. Suddenly you look at this. Within the next like 5 days, 6 days, it just fire off. Then also same thing over here. You look at this. This one, this super huge move. It only took how long? 21 days. Yeah, if we see something like 21 days, congratulations to all of us. The RR is extremely high now. I think at least maybe 1:10 possible. Fourth triangle. Simon's property. Yeah, these are all the ones, they are developing in progress, but no confirmation as of right now. But no worries, Hazel, you can continue monitoring them, okay? Once it's done already, let us know. We all take together. Don't selfish, don't keep to yourself, okay? Remember to let us know. Yeah, that's the best thing about the group, Everyone keeps doing their own part, and then you all send all this into the chat. Trust me, guys, it's going to become awesome, really. Sonim Tech, what is that? Did I type wrongly? Oh. Oh no, just not just IPO. Okay, yeah, bro, this is the type of stock that I will always advocate that you stay out. Okay, this stock, I can tell you, unless you're doing, you're using a cash account, you can go and play this type of thing. Like, okay, you can see, right? After it dump, you have a spike up. Then after that, it starts to crawl like that for a long time, one spike. And then it starts to dump again, then crawl again. Then after that, one spike, dump, after it starts to crawl. Then this crawl, until now, right, it's been a while already, you still haven't get that spike. So this process will keep repeating itself. Unless you're using a cash account, you can do so. Buy already, wait for maybe another 6 months or so, possibly you can get one spike. And then just set a quite ridiculous take profit. So in the event, you didn't monitor or what, it just out of sudden spike, right? You can actually secure your profit. But of course, maybe it spiked to about $8. Easily, I think you 1000% ROI on this stock already. 10x this stock. Okay, Tesla is reaching the trend line resistance soon. Let me set an alert. It's a matter of time. Yes. But then, right, yeah, you can go and check the historical chart of that company and then see how long it takes to consolidate before one spike. You can try. But you also need to understand this type of company, one fine day, right, it will just suddenly get delisted. And then when you get delisted, and whenever you buy stocks like that, you need to prepare that you will lose every single cent that you went to buy that stock. Because the moment it gets delisted, I think when it's being traded OTC, unlikely, I think nobody will buy the stock from you. This Hazel just spam on it. Never check. Okay, Cisco is not bad. Yes, Raymond, if you want to shift for stop loss, can shift already. Definitely can shift. Wait, let me see Cisco. Okay, Cisco, I know what you are looking at. Um, I will say wait a little bit because you can see, right? So this trade might become something a little bit more dangerous. Yes, I know what you are looking at, Potato. Very nice analysis, but this part try to be a little bit more careful first. I would definitely wait. If I want to take this trade, maybe you can drop down to the lower time frame, look for something like that. Okay, Hazel, that trade looks quite good though. We can keep a lookout. But okay. Potato, if you are really up for the risk, one of the way to take is take the trade here, and then just place a stop maybe about $67 around here. It will be more than good enough. Okay, very good, very good. Velcro energy. Did I spell wrongly? Oh, not Velcro. My eyes got problem. Shift to BE. I think you can shift up higher. Raymond, you can shift up higher. Wait, let me take a look at this. Then after that, I will go and shift the stop loss for Tesla. Definitely you can shift already. Yeah, this one looks good. I like it. Okay, thank you, Hazel. Thank you. You work very hard, I know. Thank you so much. Okay, let me see Tesla. We try to shift our stop losses. Hey, this one looks good. Hazel, this one looks good. This one I think there's a higher chance. This one looks good. Wait, let me see. Yes, this is the shape that I like, okay? This one looks very, very good. Perfect, my friend. You just need one more wave. Fantastic. That one keep a lookout, huh? Set alarm. Okay, Tesla. Okay, we need to give it a bit of room to breathe. So we just set it at 315. 315 will do. Okay. Don't need to shift too tight. Hey, but that one really looks good. That one is fantastic. You can see, right, the way the structure is developing is very different from all the rest that you have sent. Normally, a valid triangle, it looks like that. Oh, you're not listening to me, ah. My God, my friend. Champion lah. Champion. Hazel, you are my best student. I like you a lot. Okay, we need to update stop loss. Oi. Oh no. What did I press? Okay. We shift to 315, huh? Tesla. Okay, I also need to shift for myself. One moment, my friend. Come on, this month can let me make 18% or not? 18%, please. I need 18%. Okay, done. Your cash account up 7%. Congratulations, my friend. Nice lah, nice lah. Very, very good money. Very, very good profit already. Just, continue doing that good work. 5% each month. You will start to see your account skyrocket. Wow, champion, champion. Wow, lady really different, huh? Wait. Let me just, I want to close my browser. Not too sure why is it so lag today. One moment, let me close my browser. Why is it so laggy? Alamak, I close my browser. That means, damn. Let me open again. Wait. Okay, bro, you are the same as me lah. I also trade a lot of tech stock. Okay, if you look at Nancy Pelosi portfolio, hers is exactly like my portfolio. Should I hold or sell when there's a profit? I don't quite get what you mean though, because for me, right, the way I take profit out that I go by risk reward, and at the same time, where to exit, right? I use alert wave theory. So I look at wave structures, how it develops, all that before I decide to take my profits. Yeah, normally I just shift my stop loss higher and higher and higher. So I manually, shift those stop losses. You mean how I shift my stop loss? It's actually quite easy lah. Every time, for example, Apple, it moves up, it pulls back, it moves up, it pulls back, it moves up, right? I'll just keep shifting maybe my stop loss from here. I'll shift to here, I'll shift to here. And someday it will just, take me out of that trade. But of course, I also look at alert wave. This one only for the students. The students inside my group, then they know about it. Yeah, like for example, NVIDIA, I shift my stop loss all the way here already. So I don't need to, go guess whether how much more NVIDIA can go up. If this area NVIDIA got no more strength, it will just come back and then take me out of everything. But sometimes, when my RR is so good, and I think that market momentum is dying out, I will just exit everything. It all depends on the situation. Good. Not bad. I finally see 16% liao. Not bad. Well, Hazel can spot very fast. Okay, potato. If I'm using a margin account for investment but buying within my cash, is there, if I'm using margin account, okay, potato, you mean by you buy VOO using a margin account? Is it? Or you buy like stocks for long-term investment uh in a margin account but just pure, yes, okay. I would, I think it's better that you try to separate them. If not, it will be quite difficult to you for you to manage your position. Because you also don't want, one day you go and buy view, and then after you accidentally calculate it, that you use your margin, then you're going to pay a lot of interest though, a lot, really a lot of interest. IBKR you just call in. IBKR, right? You can have multiple accounts. You just call in. You can set one, as margin, the other one as cash. Is there a minimum percentage of my daily PL when it drops I should be worried about? I would say definitely depends on your own strategy. Because for me, right, I look at the overall market condition. I look at macroeconomics also. Why I like to look at that, because it's the very thing that you need to know when you need to be aggressive, when you need to be defensive. Especially like our current market condition, a lot of so much good news about those tariff, those negotiation on tariff. Right now everything is almost good news. And when you see such a good news, right, it's also time you try to be a little bit more defensive already. Because as long as Donald Trump, he writes something stupid, he come out with some stupid, crazy idea, that's it for the market. Everything will start to tank. And then this Wednesday we also have FOMC. So FOMC, I think likely, Donald Trump will go and whack that Powell again. Ask him to lower interest rate lah, Then after that, scold him, give very bad remarks, says wants to fire him and everything. So these are the things, you need to keep a watch out. But normally nothing much to worry about, because for us, if market condition is not good, the most you go short lah. Just short the market. Okay? Don't restrict yourself, guys. Because you can see, right? Let me show you the daily chart. A lot of people that never shorted the market before, they will tell you short selling is risky, but then I can tell you no lah. As long as you place a stop loss. Isn't this opportunity to make money? Isn't this also opportunity to make money? That's why don't restrict yourself. Up and down you can make money. It all depends on market condition. Okay? Okay, potato. You using Momo is easy, potato. Momo. Okay, Momo, right? I teach you how to close off your margin. Okay, you click on more, go into your settings. And where is the settings? Okay, you go into your settings first. Go into settings, go into accounts and positions. Okay, and then you'll see this thing called margin settings. Click into it. That button, you just turn it off. The moment you turn it off, you're using a cash account already. Settings, accounts and positions, margin settings. Finish. Ticker VIP. Bro, some things I cannot say here though. I thought you try to beat me or something. Oh, very, very good. Okay, yes, it flew up a lot. My God. Huh? So you're 600% in one day. 2 days. One day, 600%. Nice. What is this though? Yes, yes, yes. Over here, you can see, right? This one got like a huge wick. I don't think 1000%. I think 1700% pre market. 1700%. Yeah, this is crazy. The moment market open, you fly up, then after it starts to tank. Yes, potato. Mumu only can have one account. You can. I asked a lot of times already. They say cannot have multiple accounts. Only IBKR can. Johnson, if you pump in cash, will it offset the margin? Yes, it will. No, 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 no. You won't offset the margin, but then you can use the new cash to pay off the interest. That's why you need to be very careful on that part. Try to, have two accounts. You know why I use IBKR for long-term investment? Because I don't like the interface. The reason is as simple as that. Okay, I don't like it, so I just tell myself, yeah, I just use that IBKR as my long-term investment account. But I love Momo interface. That's why I use Momo for trading. That's the only reason, huh? Okay, this is also nice. Not bad, but okay, this stock what? Philips or something called Philips, right? Possible we have a C flat and that's it already. It's quite possible. Because you see, right, you can see, right, Rick, the current move already broke above the it already broke above the start of C wave or end of B wave. So the moment it broke that, right, it's no longer a triangle. My god, why the verification keep fail? Come on. Okay, pass you. Oh, okay, okay. MCVT. Let's take a look, huh? Oh, yo, gone now, leh. But yeah, too bad, huh? Too bad, too bad. Why is it like that? Okay, okay. One moment, let me see again. Why the data so different? 4 hours is like that, huh? Okay. On the daily time frame, the highest it went to is $8. When I drop down to the 4 hours, okay, okay. This is the pre-market session. Okay. Wow, I wonder if we short this one just now, how much will the profit be though? Actually, if you short this, now you can straight away exit. Rick. Really can exit. If me, I short right at the top, I exit already. This is like one day only. Uh, okay, wait, let me see. Yeah, Rick, you can easily tell, right? This one likely is not the triangle anymore. Can you see it's somehow like breaking out already? Is it clearer now? CBRE. CBRE. How come we'll miss this, huh? Yeah, guys, sometimes your monitor any charts, when you see the opportunity must, faster set inside the group. Look at this, look at this. High alert. Spam. Because some stocks I don't trade them very often, then I'm also not too sure. Maybe my alarm got triggered or something. Oh, I know why. Hazel, look. I never go and set alarm. Don't have the alarm icon. I forget about it. Now too late already lah. Yeah, if not by now we are in good profit now. This one at least I think 1:2, 1:3. Hoi, our Celsius fire off liao eh. That nonsense stock fire off liao. Aiyo, this nonsense stock classic breakout, retest, fire. Okay. Rick. One more thing. If you are labeling that B like that, right? You are looking for something like that B wave is something more complex. So you have a one lower degree A, B, C within that B wave, right? Is possible, but normally I won't forecast that first. Normally I will just forecast very simple, three-way structure and that's it already. Three-way correction and that's it. Unless that breakout doesn't fire off, that's when I start to change my view into something like what you drawn over there. Okay. HP Okay, this is another small cap stock likely. I look at the monthly, Wait, one moment. Actually it looks good, but then this one I think you can take as it's possible, it's really not bad. It's nice though, but then this one the stop loss will be a little bit larger. I like it. Yeah, Hazel has a lot of experience, guys. Hazel not your normal trader. Hazel is experienced, my friend. Okay, wait, let me take a look at another one first. Yeah, this is good. This is really, really good, Hazel. This one, the APA, good. I like it. We just need one more leg. That is like the best, really the best. Actually, if we want, we can take this way, but then the stop loss is a little bit large. Really a little bit large. We can do it like we do it as a swing trade, but then using a position trade stop loss, I think. You still got margin or not? If have, we can take though. Okay, Jason, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. Okay lah, we take lah. I still got margin. help me, make 18% this month. I left 2% only. Don't because, I too aggressive or what, then after that, uh, in the end, 16 become maybe 10 only. Okay. Okay, I sent inside the group already. In Johnson we trust. Okay, Hazel is really, really not bad. She can scan for very, very good trades. Really. I do notice that. Sometimes, but then sometimes you need to look at the chat. Sometimes, Hazel, she likes to prank another student called Adrian. And then you don't take the wrong trade, okay? Okay, I don't think I have this on my watch list. Okay, let me add this. Thank you, Hazel. Thank you so much. Oh, he's here. Is Adrian here? No, he's not here. Yeah, but then he got that idol icon. I think he's away lah. Okay, let me scan through all the charts that you all sent. Let's see whether we got any nice one or not. Okay, BXP. Uh, this one looks more like a flat though. Then after that, possible more downside. Yup. By no risk, we can definitely put on a trend line, set alert, then we see what happens next. Okay, you're looking at 4 hours. Okay, nice, nice, nice. 4 hours. Okay, this one is not bad. This one is not bad. AVB. Okay, I'll add this into my watch list. Hmm. Is it lagging or what? Oh, no, no, no. Set alert. Okay, icon is there. Okay, I will need to add this as well. VLO. Wow, Hazel, you have a lot of very special stock though. Where do you find all this? Right? Marathon. Petroleum. Can't remember. I think after live stream I need to scan again. And then I will add all into my watch list. Nice. Wait, did I add this? Okay, just now I added already. Okay, potato, you managed to change into the a cash account. Okay, good, good, good. Oh, not bad, Hazel. You can spot very fast. Congratulations, my friend. But this one we will need to check. This one we will need to check. Let's see. This part a bit too small. 11 August. Still got time. Okay, good. Hey, this is good though. This stock looks good. Okay, I'll add this inside my watch list first. We are slightly a little bit late. But really good at you spot a running triangle. I'm so amazed though. Hazel, you know Hazel spot a running triangle? I just put a reply inside the group, huh? You can click on that attachment and see it's a running triangle. It's a valid one. I checked already. But because we are a little bit late already, we should have taken right at here. Okay, I'll add it inside my watch list. We try to do a day trade, okay? Maybe tomorrow or something. We try to get in. That one looks really, really good. Fantastic. Running triangle is like the most difficult to spot. But then Hazel did it. Nice. Yes, Potato, you can transfer shares from broker to broker. Uh, you go and sign up an IBKR account. Then after, whenever you sign up, they will ask you whether you want to transfer shares in or not. And then you just pay a small admin fee. I think the admin fee is about sometimes $80, sometimes once 100 plus. Or you want to switch to Momo, huh? Momo is definitely a lot easier to use. A lot easier to use than IBKR. But Momo starting, you will be a little bit more overwhelmed because whenever you want to track your performance or that, I can tell you, wow, Momo, the app is like crazy that time. There are tons of metrics for you to do this and that. Every time when I want to screenshot, screenshot my whole month record, wow, I click this and that just to find which is the correct function. It's really a lot. Then Momo, they give you like different stickers or that when you stay with them for a long time. Hazel, praise you a little bit only, you go over your head, Haven't even developed your forecast first. You look at what she do. Praise her spot one time, a good one. She anyhow now. Everything is running triangle. Okay, this let me take a look at this. Okay, okay. CE I add it to my watch list already lah. Let me see. Okay. I add already, so I can monitor all these. This Hazel really. Okay, DD. Cannot tahan you, really. Hazel, you're funny, man. Yes, Hazel is quite sick. She identify very, very fast. It's amazing. But she got experience, you know? So when she learn all this, to her, it's like, yeah, easy lah. Hazel, don't say that anymore. I tell you, you later Adrian really leave now. I think he busy today. That's the last time I heard from him. He like, no, I think his job is also not easy. Similar to yours? You sure or not? Oh, I thought I was I was thinking like when you say similar to yours, I thought you are the problem. Okay. He's I'm joking with you, okay? Yeah, this guy, not easy like his life. Then you keep roasting him. Well, you scan your whole watch list. Okay. Good job, Hazel. Thank you so much for, giving us very, very good trades. Okay, we make money, we buy you dinner. Okay, guys, I will go to the toilet. See you shortly, my friends. Bye bye. One moment. Okay, I'm back. Potato. Okay, I asked Adrian now. I texted him, okay? He tells me that, he's on holiday. That's why he's not here, my friends. Okay, Adobe can. Gee, I thought, something happened to him. Adobe, previously I was looking at the ending diagonal, but then right now we need one more wave down. Okay, one more wave down to complete the ending diagonal. So it's not done yet. If we do see that, guys, everyone, take this shit, okay? Take this shit. You're going to pick the bottom, you'll get extremely good RR. Super fantastic RR. It's been a while since I take an ending diagonal. So I have already set an alarm. Let me set one more in case. Sometimes I go and delete my notification. I will set two more. So it is possible ending diagonal. Transfer you $10. Sorry, the songs is randomly played, so sometimes you will hear Indian songs. Secret to be profitable, possibly you can try. Okay, guys, if you are interested in my trading course, right, drop me a WhatsApp text because I think the form that you fill up on TikTok, right, I have to save down your number. Then after I have to WhatsApp you personally. So if possible, try to WhatsApp me instead. So the moment you WhatsApp me, I can straight away forward you the information. Then it will be easier as well. Okay, guys. I hear Kiki Cha. What is that? Okay, this stock. Okay, let me see. Just now I think I added into my watch list already. One moment. Wait, I never add. Wait, where is it? Okay, no problem. I type again. Oh, DD. I didn't add into my watch list. Why? Chanel. Can one moment. Give me a moment. One hour. You're looking at 1 hour chart. Nope. Definitely not done. The way it's moving, right? Even if you open up MACD, I don't think you'll be able to see the wave structures. Yeah, I think you can try. I don't think you'll be able to see it. Yeah, possibly I can tell you this one is still a D wave. Because normally you don't get something so small. Okay, we look at that coin first. Should be this. Okay, Chanel, I think this one is still going down a little bit. It's pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back. I don't think it will crash. Yeah, possible you'll see, it chop around here a little bit before it starts to go again. Yeah, because BTC, I also have something similar like this type of view. Bitcoin. Yep, so same thing for Bitcoin. Bitcoin so far there's no consolidation. So I wouldn't be taking this trade because sometimes, corrective structures can become really, really complex. So I'm still waiting for this consolidation. No consolidation, no buy. Oh, I just top up inside. Don't know if it's high or not. Uh, I would say right now is a little bit high. I would definitely wait for, more confirmation before I start buying. Because I know, like all these coins, they are all flying, but definitely there's no rush. So you can wait for a little bit before pulling the trigger. Because possibly, this is like the worst case scenario. Possibly it can come down here, break this low before it starts to fire off. Yes, Shopify went up quite a lot. Shop. Yeah, it didn't give me a very nice setup for a buy as well. Yeah, I always got not much luck with Shopify though. Okay, no worries, Chanel. Yeah, Shopify is a stock that I don't quite understand how to trade it. You can see, right, the pullbacks are like weird in that type. It's not those that I normally find. Okay, DD done already. I think DD is not a running triangle as of right now. We will need more data first. Yeah, especially the wave D. The wave D is way too short, really way too short. Lucky I never buy Meta. Okay, Amazon, Amazon. I'm very interested to short Amazon though. Really, like super interested. Okay. Spy doing things like that. How about Tesla? Tesla is good. Nvidia. Oh, Palantir finally pulling back. RBLX. You still got margin or not? You want to do something crazy? Are you interested to short RBLX? It's a day trade just open a very, very small one will do. Okay lah, let's go lah. Don't blame me if this stock doesn't move, okay? We do a small one will do, okay? Hey? Because the reason I short it is simple. It went up way too much already. Really, way too much. Okay, second try for RBXL liao. RBLX, RBLX. Yeah, ALBB don't know whether he booked his profit or not already. No more margin, I remember. Okay, no risk, no risk. Can just, leave it. RBLX shorting it, so we are trading against the trend. It's a very, very small day trade. Uh, okay. By right, yes, but sometimes potato, when you see candle like that, it's a very, very good sign. It's quite a good sign because, buyers cannot push back the price up, although they try to push back, they can't push, and then, the candles are still all reds. Sometimes I do see that it turns out to be a really, really good trade. I know we don't have that confirmation, but we do have a confirmation for the flat structure. And the flat structure right now on 1 hour, easily you can see 2 degrees already. That's why I like it. I don't think it will be difficult for us to take a break even. I put that into consideration before I take it. Yeah, I will always go and think, how it can develop all there, whether is it easy for us to move to break even or not. Yeah, this URZ really a bit garbage. I stuck there for too long now. I'm also thinking about just cutting it off, It's not moving, but then no matter how this area, it looks like an expanding flat for now. But it's very, very slow. Super duper slow. Way too slow. No, I give it a chance. Give this stock a chance, but then I also don't know what to say. For about from what time? From 11 until now, it didn't go anywhere though. I think from 10 10 also, it didn't go anywhere. It's somehow like, waste our margin. So to cut it off is also a good thing because if you look at 4 hours, you can tell, right? Possible more downside. Yes. Yeah, if you don't want to wait, I can just cut away. Yeah, because right now the loss is still very little. I think like maybe 0.1, 0.2%. Okay, Raymond, all positions on profit. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Okay, say thank you to Hazel also. Hazel contributed a very good trade. CCI. And then I think Potato contributed Tesla. Me contributed nothing. Only leech their info. Like what? My rule, brother. Can, Rick. No issues. Rick, take your time. Yes, you are here for a long time, Rick, so don't worry. Don't worry so much. Because now, although maybe, you can't really see them very well yet, but no worries. As long as, whatever trades we take out there, you can ask, then we explain to you, you'll get better and better. uh, Wix, I do a little bit, alert wave, TA, all that. But a lot of times is okay, the support and resistance, or even you use EMAs, all that is still fine. Remember, right? I said that even Wix hit that very, very low level, it can stay there for days before you start to see a reaction, which can be our economic events this coming few days, where we will suddenly see a spike in VIX. Yes, Rick, don't need to force yourself. Every day just practice a little bit, you have a bit of time, 1 hour, 2 hour, that will be more than enough. And some more, you are very hardworking, you come to live stream every single day, you will learn fast, man, really. You learn from the course. After you come here, clear your doubts a little bit, you more or less already get it now. Like right now, I can tell from the group, no, a lot of you don't really ask very long questions anymore. The questions you ask like very short, then I give you one reply, you already, okay, understand. So that means you're getting better already. Yeah, then don't compare, yourself with others or with me, because like I myself, I've been doing this for 10 years, so it's normal for me to be very, very fast. If you practice, for the next few months, you also can be extremely fast. Yeah, I also hope Hazel say the stock is garbage, and after that, it suddenly starts to fire off. My love language, physical cash, words of bank transactions. Yes, Rick, don't worry too much, okay? In this world, a lot of things is not whether you are smart or not. You need to be hardworking, okay? Work hardworking, keep doing things over and over again. You will definitely see results. Yes, definitely, my friend. Definitely, very good. Okay, Potato, today I was doing this video. I make like a 10 over minutes, 20 minutes video. 3 of the video teaching you how to combine alert wave together with FVG or order blocks, all that, right? To take trades, combining with smart money concepts. But then, out of the 3 videos, all 3 corrupted. So I got no choice. I have to delete all the videos. I wasted my whole afternoon for nothing, man. Really, nothing. No, after I finish everything, I want to edit it. Then, when I open, I drag it into the CapCut program. Then I say, wait, why all the videos are about 5 minutes to about 8 minutes long only? I thought I recorded like maybe 10 over minutes, 20 over minutes. I also have no idea. Maybe, just now when I started my computer, somewhere, somehow just went wrong lah. Okay, Potato, you are really quite good at analyzing the charts already. And then right now, if you're still not confident, I understand, you go through a fearful process where, you lose money, all that. Go and demo trade, go and try them. You need to gain back that confidence. And when you gain back, go into live account. You're still young, you got plenty of time. Demo trading for 3 months, 6 months, it doesn't kill you though. These are skills that, you will just get better and better each day. So good that someday you can become like me. One look, you already know what happens to the chart. And just purely using technicals, we catch very good trades, and then we also can, use technicals to tell us like when we more or less, hit target already, we should be careful. Then out of a sudden, a news just suddenly appear, tank the market, all that. These are the things that, through technicals alone, you can start to see all this already. So even right now, I think that market is overbought all that, but you don't see me trying to short positions and stuff. I'm just waiting, waiting for that sign that market is going to correct. So far, I still don't see that. Although SPY, gives a little bit already, really a little bit if you go to SPY. But to me, this is like, a gap fill. And then what else? Nothing already. It's just hovering around here. It can go up, it can go down. We don't know where. Until there's, more confirmation, then we can really tell whether we should really start to short the market. Can teach how to be profitable. What do you mean? Rick, today I was making that video, liquidity sweep, order blocks, fair value gaps, everything combining with Elo Wave. Elo Wave is still your main strategy. Whatever we use, right, everything is to complement Elo Wave. You will start to notice that, okay? Whenever, I take trades and all that, I even explain, I did one of the video using Netflix to explain because I think it was really, really good. Like during the earnings, remember Netflix doing these earnings? Yeah, I was using this whole area to explain to you this whole move. But then the video crashed. And you know my style lah. I do one video, I can retake don't know how many times because I keep saying the wrong thing. Oh no, the whole video corrupted. Whole video. And then it's very stuttery. Then towards the end, suddenly everything is black in color. Yeah, sway lah. Today just sway. Yeah, sometimes life is like that. You completed some things and then some shit just happened and what to do? What can we do, right? And then we just move on. No, maybe tomorrow I go and take again. Hey, no risk. I'm really, I'm here to teach you everything that I know. Okay, make sure that you become a super good trader. You can do everything yourself. Because, right, like what Hazel say, I'm building soldiers. And really, you see, 1 or 2 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, you all are asking a lot of questions about this and that because you're confused. But right now, you are starting to contribute already. When I contribute, you contribute, we will all have very, very good trades. Maybe I miss something like Netflix, this area. Sometimes I'm also clumsy. I do a lot of mistakes. You're in my group for a few weeks already. You should know. Like I took a trade here. I didn't even realize, after market close, there was earnings. Until potato warm in, then I said, okay, I faster cut everything. Yes, Raymond now he has time already, so he can, continue the course. And then someday he can contribute. Yes, it's possible, potato. It's possible. It's really, really possible. Very, very nice confluence over there. Trend line, FVG, three-way structure. You can even try to open your EMA 20. Yeah, the SMC part is very easy. The moment you understand wave structure, you already know which FVG, which OB to see already. Because wave structure is always your number one priority. Okay, guys, I think this Netflix I want to cut already. It doesn't look good though. Either you draw your triangle trend line wrongly liao, cannot connect the top like that, huh? See what? CDW. Because if you connect like that, you are forcing the chart, okay? You are forcing to try to find a triangle. Yes, SMC is for you to find more confluence. And then that's how we normally try to pick the top, the bottom to, buy or long positions. Combining with Elliott wave, not purely on SMC only. Because if you use purely FVG or that, I can tell you, one move like that, you can find multiple FVG, but which one really holds? Really, this chart, let me show you on Netflix. Just Netflix, on the 4 hours, I can show you plenties of FVG. Here one, here one, okay, here one more, and then here one more. So many, 4 FVG, which one will hold? Right? You just look at this part. 4 FVG, which one will hold? That's why a lot of people, they go to YouTube, they study FVG, study smart money concepts, but then why it doesn't work? Because there's too many now. Which one will hold? It's something like, you all learn about runaway gaps. Got 4 FVG. First trader will think that first FVG hold. Second trader B thinks that the second one. Trader C thinks that the third one. And trader D thinks that is the fourth one. So which one? But then you look at my Netflix chart. Why I all along, right? I only got this zone. I never changed this zone for a long time already. So many, there's so many FVG here. But why? I only use this. Because Elliott wave. Okay? Easily you can tell, right? You have like a three-way structure here. So you go and flip your, three-way structure, and then you will know why my FVG is here already. Can short MU. You see MU in between this whole move. So many, FVG. But why? Why my FVG is here? Wave structure. It's still a distance away though. If you want to short MU, MU right now, it looks like a little bit of potential to the upside though. Possible this is a running flat and then, can start to fire off here. But we are not sure about this part. So if you want to short, I would advise, go down to the 15 minutes. Wait for some consolidation, then you short. Netflix also rubbish. Netflix is not moving this part I go down to 15 minutes and see. Okay, I can only tell you the last chance is coming to somewhere around here. If coming to here it doesn't fire off, GG for us. Really GG. Today, right, that video I also teach you about running flat, okay? I can tell you for sure is that running flat, right, normal, I don't have a very good strategy to pick the top and bottom. The reason is because of the C wave. The C wave can terminate way too many plays already. Okay, for running flat, right, usually I will try to draw the trend line on the C wave. Let me see whether I can show you one example or not. Here. Can you see or not? This. So I will draw a trend line here. Isn't this beautiful? Can, no problem, potato. Yeah, this is what I can tell. A lot of things that I do, although I teach you EMAs, SMA, all that, but I still use more of wave theory. And normally, when you start to, see me open up the SMA, EMAs, all that, it's usually when the market starts to pull back. When it doesn't pull back a lot, I normally just switch it off. Lah. Okay, CDW. Yes. Wait, CDW. Okay, possible. This part already done now. This part possible already done now. This CDW can just fire off from you. Because if you try to draw your trend line, oops. Okay, this trend line is not the most useful one, but minimally what you can see is that after we have a breakout, we have a consolidation again. So possible can just fire off. And this part is also simple. You can see, right? This part is like a liquidity sweep. So price came all the way down, sweep liquidity, while you have a three-way structure before you start to fire off. Hey, you miss it. Just now we were looking at what chart? I think Netflix is it. Okay, can Rick, let me show you that part again. Okay, because Potato was asking for, if for running flat, how do I draw my trend line? So that usually I just draw on the C wave. Okay, so you can see, right? Very easily, I think one look you should be able to tell already. This one is a C wave. Let me send this inside so you can take a look also. You got it. Okay. Don't need me to send. Never mind. I just send one. Hazel, you sure you miss it or not? Okay, normally, right, because just now Potato asked for running flat, how do I draw my trend line? Because running flat, if you try to draw something like a trend line or that, right, it will be quite difficult for you to take the breakout trade. But then, right, normally what I do, I draw on the C wave only for a running flat so that we can take the breakout trade. No risk, Hazel. Yeah, you can look at the picture that I sent inside the group. I think easily by now you all can tell already that one is the C wave, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, I go and take some water. I come back shortly. And then I think today we are going to stream until 1 a.m. already. Okay? Okay, I'm back. Wait. Hey Raymond, you still here or not? Raymond, if you are still here, you know, you don't have to come to live stream all the time though. You know, you can go and study the course first. Then after that, once you finish, then come back. Yeah, because I taught you Elewave a little bit before, so I think you shouldn't have much of an issue lah. Yes, correct. Correct. Nice. Very, very nice, Hazel. Fantastic. Perfect. Perfect, my friend. See, you guys are getting really, really, really good. Very good already. Imagine, you all only just joined what? 2 weeks only. 2 weeks and you can, read charts like that is fantastic already. I remember when my first mentor that taught me alert wave, I spent months don't even understanding like how the whole market really move. I got so frustrated with that course that I go into a webinar, go and argue with people. Then that's how my partner got kicked out. Then after that, I also left together with the group. I left together with them. Then after we do a lot of back testing, then we found out this system. This system is fantastic, really fantastic. The moment you can read it, you just be patient, wait for the corrections to develop, and then you take the next trade, take the next impulse. So you don't have to jam for too long. If you jam for too long, something like our CORZ, I want to get out your low. Got no patience for this. I give it a last chance, okay? This one, possible as an expanding flat. Better fire off from now. If it doesn't fire off, I'm totally out now. Okay, out of all those flat structure, the one that I hate the most is running flat. Running flat is very difficult to trade it. Sometimes, you get very nice one, like Hazel, what you're seeing there on your chart. But then a lot of times, it's weird. It's really, really weird. Like you don't get it. But if you don't get that, no issues, we can drop down to like maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. We try to find a day trade, which I will also be making a video for that. I forgot to, make video for day trading. But day trading also same thing, whatever you learn about the price action strategy, alert wave, SMC, everything just combined together. But then you drop down to a lower time frame. The only tool that I use as like support and resistance is VWAP. That's all only. So VWAP, something like, LMND, maybe you see a very nice, correction in this area. And then coming back to VWAP, you can start to take the trade down. But normally, I don't do a lot of day trades. By now, you all can tell, my day trades doesn't look like day trade at all. All looks like swing trade. Just that, a smaller risk swing trade. Yeah, I think maybe Raymond left already. photo can. Okay, photo, same thing. I'm waiting for that correction. Okay, so if you want to, you can connect your trend line now. Yeah, this one will cut across. Yeah, you can connect your trend lines and then just wait for that breakout. Yeah, because here I don't think you can spot any good FVG. The only very good one, right, is you must really this one is 勉强勉强 to have a FVG over here, because by right your FVG should be this huge. Okay, but then this area has been used already, so it's like no longer valid. Although it's such a big zone, right? Normally I I just minimize it, try not to use this zone, because this is something like your liquidity sweep over here. So possible, photo come here, sweep liquidity, then before it starts to fire off. But most importantly, still the wave structure inside here. This one is the most important thing already. So we need to see, how photo develops first before we take action. But then you also need to understand, photo went up quite a lot already, really quite a lot. Because you can see this leg is like crazy, man. Then possibly, right, if you go and flip, like you already hit target now. Okay, you flip the daily move, you already hit target already. Then 4 hours, if you draw a trend line, I think likely you are breaking out already. So just be a little bit more mindful on this part. Yeah, sometimes I'm lazy, but then I know likely it's breaking out already. So you all go and draw the trend lines, okay? Don't be like me. Yeah, by right you should connect something like that. I don't think this one is okay. This one will definitely cut over. Let me see. Yup, maybe you need to shift a little bit. Yeah, you need to connect something like that. That's why never ever buy on the trend line. I believe by now you look at this, you know definitely there will be more downside to come. Yeah, so don't ever buy at the trend line. You die so badly though. They connect nicely. Okay. Okay, SPY coming down already. Possibly we might head into a larger correction soon. And then this AMD. Okay, NVIDIA leh. NVIDIA still looks like upside though on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, this trade is more of a high risk. Possible expanding flat and then we get more upside. If only we get one more leg up before we can start to look for shorts. Palantir, hopefully we get a nice setup and see how it develops first. Because here, really, no structure at all. I don't even know whether should I long or should I short. This one another good example lah. You see, FVG, so super duper big. Buy where? no structure, right? This type of FVG are pretty much useless. So once in a while, possible, it can come into discount and then it starts to fire off. But I can tell you these are more of a high risk one. I think Palantir I have a lot of FVG. I think I deleted them. Yeah. I think I deleted a lot of them, really a lot of them. Oh yes, by the way, guys, if you all want Q&A once one to one, let me know, huh? Because I think the last Q&A also maybe about 1 week ago already. I think the next time we do before live streaming lah. I talk too much and then make you all sleep at 2 a.m. Oh, all the oil got very, very nice structures. Even XOM also. Yeah, you all can go and schedule one, got questions and everything, just schedule. We can definitely do it. Yeah, Rick, don't sit in and listen. Ask question, Rick. You will learn more. The more you ask, the more you learn. Sometimes I'm a bit low so just bear with me. Okay, it's for your own good. Yes, the Ella Wave lessons definitely I think you need to watch a few times to get even a better understanding. Really, what I'm giving you guys here, I can tell you, my first mentor never give me this type of support. Although, he does webinar every single day. I think every single day. Some of them with the public, sometimes, just with the students. And the webinar is like maybe every day 5 minutes to 8 minutes long. He'll just tell you what he's looking at, how he forecasts this and that. And then after he'll ask you guys to, join the webinar. So he has like this Zoom room that opens 24/7. I don't know how you do it, but you can just hop into the room anytime. There will be a lot of traders inside, trying to analyze this and that. Then once in a while, he'll hop in and help out. Yeah, but whenever he's not there, I can tell the whole group is in chaos. Because by right, everyone should be trading Forex. But then when he's not around, people talk about stocks, talk about this and that, all the weird instruments that you never ever watch before. Then it's always the seniors there, the 老舅, they are the one who are running the webinars. And then you ask them whether you can share your screen or not. You want to ask some questions, they will tell you to wait. Then you wait 30 minutes, 1 hour is also not until your turn. It is seriously a waste of time. I also have plans. Okay, I have plans. If this group were to grow even larger until really, really huge that type, I will set up maybe, 3 different type of sessions. Then you'll just classify yourself, like whether, you are expert already, intermediate, or you are like amateur. So you just split yourself, then after you come to each different Q&A sessions. Because the expert one, I think likely you come inside, then you maybe challenge me or something. Maybe you want to show me something even more amazing because you backtested so much that you notice something that it works even better than what I have taught you. Yeah, previously my first group is also like that. They try to backtest this and that, but doesn't come out with a conclusion. They use what are options to trade forex. I can't remember, is it called options or not? I think it's options. It fails so badly though. It's really really bad. Oh, Walmart previously was a good trade, huh? Went up so much. Okay, when you backtest Elevate, right, it is very important. Oh, I think I forgot to touch on this. I know what you mean. Okay, you need to. The best thing that you can do, right, is that go and identify all those corrections, and then go and see how long each correction lasts, how it develops, how it becomes complex. And then at the same time, once you can do a mixture between correction and impulses. Impulses, you also can go and test how far it goes to, how long it takes, all that. So you can collect stats. Maybe on a 4-hour time frame, maybe you go to the 4-hour time frame, you go and collect all the stats like how long impulses, took to go up and how much they actually went up. And when it went up, it's always a 3 or a 5-way structure. Go and collect all those stats. And then for corrections, right, you go and identify, how long the correction took, what type of wave structure is inside, how it turns out to be something more complex like Walmart. This current moment, this is something like a complex corrective structure. So when I backtested, I collect all these stats. It's seriously a lot of work that type. You just pick one instrument, you test every single candle, every single data, scroll as far back as you can, start to collect. It's really crazy that type. Really like, we'll go and measure like this impulse from here to here. Okay, how long it took? Okay, 38 days. It moved 27.23%. Then after we put down into an Excel sheet, then how many bars? From here you can see 108 bars. And back then we don't even have like Chat GPT or that. Everything we do it manually. Really like manually. So this is how you become extremely good at it. Sometimes when the chart doesn't feel right or that, sometimes it fulfills the rules and everything, but to me it just doesn't feel right because I know correction doesn't, develops for so short. That's why I didn't take the trade. I think recently there was one example, right? I can't remember what stock was that. I think Potato, you are the one who asked me, and I told you why I didn't take that trade. Is it Visa or not? Let me see. I don't think it's Visa. What stock is that? I remember it should be a well-known company. Is it Disney? Disney. Okay. Now you understand why, right? It's because I tested a lot and the way it's developing, it doesn't give me the confidence. That's why I told you, try to avoid Disney. Don't take that breakout. Okay, partly also because of the trend line. Then as you gain more and more experience, you backtest more and more, you will start to understand, how much one move can really go. Because the market don't go up in one straight line forever, it will definitely pull back. And even if I just go back a little bit for you, okay we just look at this part. Isn't this and this similar. One look you can tell, right, is quite similar, the movement. And look at what happens to Disney after that. It tanked like that. That's why that time I know everything, the criteria, everything passed. But why I didn't take the trade is because of something like that. No, I don't expect Disney to crash like that, but at least a larger correction. You can see, right, this one you just maybe put on this and here to the top. Hey, connect like. Okay, and then you put this over. You can more or less tell the whole leg looks around the same size though. Right, the difference is just by that little bit. Which is why when you start wave theory, right, you no longer like look at candlesticks only. You really look at how price action move or how wave structure develops. I mean, a lot of times you see me, I zoom out my chart all the way until like that because I'm not really interested in looking at the candlesticks. I'm more interested in what type of wave structure is going to develop next. So when I zoom out like that, it gives me a lot of details though. Every single thing over here, like for example, this impulse, these are all very, very good information. If you dive in, go and read them. You read already, it will give you confidence lah, whether how much this stock can move. Because you don't need to be an expert at maybe 200 stocks. You only need to be an expert at 1 to 5 stock. You can make a lot of money. Like me myself, sometimes some setups it looks fantastic, but I have no idea what that stock is doing. Or I don't understand the stock. I tend to also be a little bit more wary. But of course, if you ask me like those mega tech, which are something that I always trade, the moment it fulfills my criteria, and I think that it likely can do a certain type of move, I will straight away take the trade. Whereas something that I don't trade very often, I tend to consider a little bit more. That's why a lot of times, when you come to live stream, you see, I only scroll through the up and down the top of my watch list. Only start of live stream, I will scan through all the way until the bottom. Then the those at the bottoms, right, are charts that I need a perfect setup before I even take them. Maybe the next one can be CE, and then DD, I'm not too sure yet. MPC definitely not bad. MPC. Same things for VLO. Yes, and APA, correct. APA is the fantastic one. But don't have to stress yourself so much. Why I'm telling you all this is initially because I wanted to develop a system that really works. It's easy. It works like magic, that type. So me and two of my partners, we keep testing and testing and testing for 2 years. And after that, we just abolished the wave count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, seriously, waste of time. It's the main problem that, make us doesn't understand how the market moves. Gold. Okay, what you want to know? Okay, gold is also the same thing. You all do see, right? A lot of people come to live stream, then they ask me about gold. And I keep telling them that, I don't think it's ready. I think more downside to come. Why? The same thing is that I just look back, historical chart move up so much already. Can you expect, go to keep going up forever? Cannot be lah. Really cannot be. So when you look at gold, there's a few scenarios it can, develop, possibly coming down here. If not, coming down here before that impulse to the upside. Okay, potato, see you. Okay, guys. Okay lah, Rick, you're also all tired lah. I believe everyone here also tired lah. Today like Q&A session ah. Okay, everyone go on. Oh, 1 o'clock already. Okay, go on there. See guys, this is me, huh? Every time I talk too much. Okay, thank you everyone for coming to the live stream. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Let's go on. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Take care. Rest well. Bye bye.